All right, we are checking into room 115 at the Castle at Swan Lake. So as we enter the room, it's a big room. Immediately to the left, we have this big closet. And then this nice king-size bed. And then across from the bed, we have this really nice big bathroom. Look at this tub. Holy, it is a deep one. Beautiful. Look how lovely they display all their toiletries. Lovely sink. Very nice. Sliding door, pocket door. All right, and then we have this beautiful sitting area. Very nice couch, fireplace, TV. I'll have to get James to show me how to turn the fireplace on. Look at this lovely chair. And then we also have like a complete kitchen. Fridge, freezer, full stove, a dishwasher, microwave, complete with glasses and silverware and cutting knives, like everything we could need. Toaster. Awesome. Lovely dining room table with salt, pepper, and paper towel. All right, we're just gonna check the pool quickly. We've been just coming down this way. So yeah, we've been just hopping down. We're probably supposed to walk through the front door and all the way around, but they got barbecues here for you to use. A little sitting area. And then just a quick walk around of the pool and hot tub. There's a washroom down here and your towels are down here. We've been in the pool. It's cold, but quite refreshing. Lots of seating areas and umbrellas. We loved our stay here and would definitely recommend this place. The room was lovely and big and comfortable. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.